Okay, I'm going to see if I can assemble this GrafittiBot. So let's start with the bearings, which I've already tapped the holes for the screws, and I used my handy dandy tap which I printed off to do those. Of course, I also used it to tap these long holes in here, which I needed to get all the way in. So this was very handy in doing that. But for now, we have to screw these bearings on. Okay, and the rear wheels go on here. Maybe I'll wait before putting them on. So here's the nozzles, and we can just snap them on. These holes can be threaded if I want to really attach that more firmly, but it's probably going to work fine just the way it is. So let's look at the front end. In order to get this together, we have to slide the motor in the back carefully, and I think we'll try and put the pillow block in next. And snap it in. Now we want to put the little magnet holder on the top here. And now I have to try and push that underneath to the point where, okay, there we are. So now the steering motor is in there. It's coming through the pillow block. And we can take our front wheel assembly and just slide it up. There it is. So we have front wheels and the steering magnet, which is at the same angle as the wheels. Now, this goes on here. It's nice and tight. And there's dowel pins, so let's see if we can stick one of those in there. There's one. I've never put these in before, so I'm not sure if they will actually go all the way in easily. Okay, it's going to take some persuasion. Okay, that dowel pin is in, and we have the cradle for our canister here, and we'll have to try and bend it to fit on here. And there we go. So we have a pivoting cradle, perfectly fitting. Front wheels, let's put some rear wheels on here. And that's how it's going to look. Very nice. And here's where the pumps will sit. And we'll just have the tubing going over to these nozzles. I still have to make a bracket that holds the two motor controllers and the main display. I shouldn't have put this on before putting the little load cell in there, but it does fit. I checked the fit earlier. So that's how it assembles. It's coming along and it's almost ready to power up. Well, I actually have to make another bracket, but looking good.